Hello, Kaylin. Happy birthday today. How are you doing? Can you say hi? Hi? Can you wave hi instead of being so serious? Yes, what? What? Hi. There you go. Good waving hi. Good job. Hi. Hi. Can you say yes? Can you say hi? Hi? What are you looking at? What's up? Can you say hello? Hello? Hi. No? Can you say anything? Can you say hi? You're not sure? What? What? Oh, because